Ayun na guys, so let's get start learning Python developer or the fundamentals of Python. So yan, lesson 1 natin. First topic natin which is the getting started with Python. So marami yan. So ginagamit ko pala yung solar so pwede yun dito mag-aaral, pero let's try to review all the topics prepared by the developer of this app. So yan, dito tayo sa getting started with Python. So since meron dyan na mga students na nag-aaral ng IPT 226, so pinakamarami yun na programming languages na dyan sa mga IT, NIS na nag-aaral ng IPT 226, which is the Integrated Programming and Technology. So unahin natin yung Python. So yan, basic fundamentals pa lang ng Python. So Python is one of the most popular and useful language is to give instructions to computers. Ayan, then continue lang natin yan. So Python has a simple syntax, which means it's easy to write, read, and learn. So kasi Python, once na gawa kayo ng statement or print kayo or output kayo ng statement, so yun lang yung syntax niya. Print, and then open and close. Then yung nilalagay sa parenthesis yung gusto yung palabas kaya yung Python. So yung print dyan. Ayan. And then the print method instruction is the easiest way to send a message to the screen or other display device. So yan, siyempre nalagay yung print dyan. Ayan, so meron din yung this. So the print method instruction requires the use of parentheses or of the message. So yung print, so siyempre open and close parentheses lang yan. Ayan, so yung ones use code to give instruction to machines. So syempre, lagay nyo yung print, and then yung email na quotation mark, ilalagay nyo sa parentheses. And then complete na line of code to send the message to the screen. So syempre, print, and then under lang open din parentheses natin is yung statement na gusto nyo yung palabasin sa compiler. So yan yung order shift. And then check nyo, and then continue. So syempre, make sure you use quotation marks. So pang wala quotation marks kay Python is error na yan. Then continue yan. Itong starters with line of code, complete the code. So syempre, kailangan ng quotation marks na yan ng parentheses. If you miss the quotation marks around the text, the computer will understand your instructions. So syempre, print, and then yan, check. Pag hindi nyo nilagay yung quotation mark doon, syempre mag-error yan. Then complete the code for your full delivery of. So syempre ito, pag na quotation mark, mag-error yan. So kailangan yung palitan nito. Ayan, so check nyo yan. And now, numbers to quotation mark. So syempre for integer is hindi na kailangan ng quotation mark. So yan, tapos 360, and then yan. Siyempre, ang sinasabi ng may quotation mark is yung mga string na variable. Yan. So, tapos na yung ating lesson. So, ito yun is a takeaways na using Java Python is widely used to build software and data, analyze data and program artificial intelligence or AI. And then we have the human use code to give instructions to machine. The print method, the instruction displays a message on the screen. So yan, ang next lesson natin guys is yung practice. Yan. Every time practice dyan. AI-generated practice, and then nagbukas na din yung memory and variables. Yan, turo ko yan sa inyo by next topic na.